Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is exclusive bunny kit, Simply Crochet festive patterns ideas, or 63 festive patterns and ideas. It's giant baubles, star jumper, fun stocking, beanie and cowl, Santa headband, mini Christmas tree, plus 10% off. Some yarn brands with alternative companies to mine, which we won't even worry about. I feel like there's something, well, maybe it's just that in there. I don't think, to be honest with you, that magazines have been particularly generous this year with their giveaway stuff inside, you know. But while I'm opening this, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And you never know, you might be informed when new videos pop up. So the more observant peeps among you will notice that I'm not in my usual habitat. I am out in my yarn van because I've been working. So, and Gary's doing the Christmas tree. Well, he's been doing the lights on it. It's probably finished now. Whoops, sorry about that. Wobbling the. I'll put my glasses on. Hang on. Yeah, so I'm out here so I can get a bit of quiet for it. Okay, so this is the ice skating bunny kit. So we've got an amigurumi, contains all the yarn to crochet this cute bunny, and as you can see, ain't a lot, man. It doesn't feel like it's vacuum packed. I'm not going to open it because I will put this in somebody's order and give it away. Okay, so 63 amazing designs you'll love. Jolly mega decorations, these are those guys. We have deck the halls, so we've got these stockings, gingerbread house made out of crochet and pastel reef. We've got a cardigan which is quite short, spruce up a cute Christmas tree, cozy style quick and chunky cardi, star jumper, tree skirt, fun Santa beard, baby overalls and much more, and great ideas for gifts. So let's have a little looky then. It's about this thick. So now I don't have a great deal of space out here, and sorry if you can see the trappings of my work, but this is my work room. So we'll see how we get on. Hopefully it'll be okay, and I've got the light on, so I'm hoping it's not going to be a bit too annoying by shining on the paper. But okay, this is the contents page, and I've got this flyer, which is get a 6 doll calendar yarn pack, because that actually is one of my giveaways, that calendar. It finishes next week, I think. It came free in one of the magazines, and I'm doing it as a giveaway. So all of the patterns to make these dollies are on there, so you can get, if you subscribe, the pack for it. Anyway, here we go. So we've got a cushion that's kind of triangular. That wasn't on the front cover. Neither was this, which is a cowl and hat. Looks quite rainbowy. And this wasn't on the front either. And we've got some little kind of, I guess you'd call them culottes, wouldn't you? It's been a long time since I wore culottes. I remember when they were fashionable. This is this fun beard. Gotta say, it's not the most Santa-y beard, is it? It's a bit bedraggled. I guess you could try and bushy it up if you want, really. But, you know, just saying, as beards go, it's not the most beardy. And right at the top there, we've got this little kind of garland or bunting, whatever you want to call it. Looks like Christmas jumpers. Just adverts. Okay, what we got? Christmas card crochet. So if you were into making Christmas cards, you could crochet the little embellishments, which is pretty cute. I don't know what this is all about, Dove Love. I'm trying to make sure I've not got too many pages at once here. These are the kind of little editorial bits. We've got skills and events. Let's see what we've got, shall we? 7th of December, Christmas Reef Workshop. It's 50 quid, and that's in Thatcham. 7th of December again, Crochet Day Retreat, £125 in Crewe, which is in Cheshire. And that's 125 squids. 13th to the 15th of December, Christmas crochet weekend from £519 in Northants. Excuse me while I adjust myself. 14th to 15th of December, Christmas wall show, £6 at the NEC in Birmingham. I think I'd rather go to the £6. Anyway, here we go. Not that I'm stingy. My Granny Square Wardrobe by Sam Sabido book is $14.99 by Search Press. Block by Block and Blanket and Afghan, Amanda Perkins, $14.99 at Search Press. Seems to be the going rate for books. Until You Get to Crochet in a Day by Angie Bivins, $18.99. And then you've got The Art of Crochet by Caitlin Ostafew at $18.99. Yeah, okay. Ostafew. Sorry about that. I probably butchered her name, but never mind. Adverts. So many of them, aren't there, in these books now? Wonder and Whimsy. Treat family and friends to practical gifts and colourful flights of fancy at Christmas. So, as reefs go, I quite like that, even though it's just fluffy. It's made with kind of chunky twists. We've got the cushion that's got baubles hanging off it, made out of crochet. And this is the garland, got lots of little Christmas jumpers. Quite small stitching. I like the way they've done these bottles. I have a few bottles to wrap, but I usually put them in bottle bags, but I might make them little hats and scarves. You never know. Can't see it happening, mind you, before Christmas. Tree skirt, that's quite a nice one, but we don't have ours on a table, so that wouldn't really do it justice. And there is the stocking. Now, I have to say the gingerbread man looks a bit... Well, his head's a bit of a funny shape, and his face, well, it's a bit shocked. Maybe because his head's a funny shape. And he's going, what on earth has happened to my head, perhaps? What on earth is this bit? It's not on the other side, so... Maybe someone's bitten a lump out. That's what that's meant to be. Because that took a while for the penny to drop there. Then we've got these giant kind of hanging dudes that go on the tree. I don't think I'd want giant ones on my tree, but, you know, maybe you could use them for something else. And then we've got the bottle cozy things and the bunting. You could put like a little jumper on top if you didn't want to do a hat. And we've got granny squares. Sorry, I got him a bit wrong. Chloe Elizabeth, Birches. Cardi, quick and easy to make and will keep you toasty. It won't keep your bottom toasty though, will it? Just saying. Only the midriff bit and your boobies. That's it. And the arms, maybe. But not going to keep much of your toasty unless you make it longer. No shaping involved. So therefore, a bit kind of... Okay, Snow Cute. This is our guy that's on our free gift. This is the pattern that goes with it. So if I do put this in anybody's order, if I know they're a crocheter, or give it away, I'll make sure I put the pattern in. I've got a few of those knocking around where I don't know where the pattern is, so I'll make sure I do that. So this is the subscribey, what's the word I'm looking for? Reason to subscribe. Incentive, that's the word. So we're looking at the Colour Rush Chunky here by Signet. I don't stock that one, but I could do if I wanted. Just looks like all the others, to be honest with you. Embellish a headband. So basically you're just making Frosty the Snowman with a scarf. Well, only his head. And yeah, by Natalie Beard this is. And you can put it on your little headband. Any colours you like to go with the band. Christmas gift guide. So here's a few crochet stitch card deck. Oh, another one we're going to see loads of fakes for, I dare say. By Bella Coco. Okay. Stars and Stripes. I quite like this one. I think that's a bit nicer. The arms are always a tad on the baggy side, but I guess it depends how fat your arms are as to whether they're baggy or not. But as far as this goes, I like that better than the other one. And certainly better than the one the other day. Do you remember that one? Oh, it was a bit... Ooh, no. Although that does have different arms as well. Won't go back. This is great for a Secret Santa, is it now? Because, you know, somebody made me a kind of a crochet Christmas tree that, you know, not saying it's ugly, but it is a bit wonky, a bit lopsided. It's the thought that counts, as they say. But I don't know, not really up my street, that. Win one of 5 amazing prizes. This little guy is attacking me, if you wondered what that was. Tell us what you think of Simply Crochet for a chance to win. It doesn't say what the prizes are, but chances are it's probably subscriptions or something. Cheer up dull days with Fab Hat and Cowl from Maria Jesmick. I like that, actually. I like the yarn. What yarn's that? Yarn Smith's Free Spirit Aran. Nice. Candy Light. This is the gingerbread house and stuff, with the candy cane going upside. It's showtime. Justine Roberts' crochet journey. This is a bit about her and a bit about her pretend donuts, I guess. It's Santa. Oh no, it's not. Goodness gracious, that looks like Grandma with a very dodgy beard. Really, this is Maria Jesmick again. It's a tie-on beard design. Well, it reminds me of something. It reminds me of that guy that was in Pirates of the Caribbean with the snaky beard. I don't know, just something about that. It's a bit creepy. Okay, Fancy Frills. Karen Petty's adorable cotton dungarees. Sorry, I think they're culottes myself. Probably not. Probably got to be longer to be culottes. I don't know. Bible Tots and Baubles blanket. Part 2. So this is a crochet along. So you'd have to go and get part 1 if you wanted to make it. A special homecoming. Phil Saul visits Dullcraft's famous mill at Slaithwaite, Yorkshire, and shares the story and process of how its beloved special DK yarn is now being spun in its Yorkshire home. See, they're now making it here. And by, you know, when you think about it, that should feasibly put the price down, but somehow I don't think it will. Not that it's expensive, really. These are readers' offers, and these are all things like Park Dean Resorts, crates of beer, Ambassador Cruises, which I will be going on one next week, and I will tell you all about it. We're going to some Christmas markets, so you get 5% off with that. Hornby, I think that might be a day out at Hornby, I'm not sure. And then we've got all these, which I'm not going to sit and read them all. There's another cruise there. U is for ultimate. What does that mean, ultimate? Anchor Pure Baby Pure Cotton. West Yorkshire Spinners Retreat Twist. Debbie Bliss's Cashmere Aran. UK Alpaca Baby Alpaca and Silk. DK. Rico Creative Cotton Fleece and Yarn Vibes Organic Yarn. Need to tell you that in my Black Friday sale, which is at hobbyrocks.co.uk, I have some Rico Creative Aran. It's not cotton, but it is, I think, premium acrylic. And that is on very special offer if you did want to have a little looky. In my Black Friday, I've still got it going on. In fact, it will carry on until the January sale, really, because what's the point in keep changing the name of it, to be honest. This is the Show Us Yours. That's quite nice. It reminds me of Afghans. So not an Afghan as in a blanket, but an Afghan as in a jacket. An Afghan kaftan, I don't know. Crochet Unravelled. Can I decorate my crocheted fabric? Of course you can. That's a silly question. In the next issue, we've got this weird looking jacket cardigan that fits together with a shawl pin. You could make ties if you wanted to. Oversized tank. I think it means tank top. I don't think it means like a big Sherman coming through. That would be fun. Crochet your own Sherman tank would be great. Gary would love that. My partner just loves tanks. Anyway, diamond baby blanket, chunky hat and scarf, chubby penguin toy, crochet flower jumper hack. We'll have to see what that's all about. Vintage style cushion cover, multicolour shawl, plaid jacket, which is this guy, winter blanket, motif boxy bag, and much more. And this fabric little doodad to put your hooks in. On sale on the 27th of December. And that's if I can remember to get it. That's the only thing. Otherwise, I won't be showing you that. We're at the how to do bits and the conversion charts and the charts, which are always a good thing to have in there. I do like a chart, as you know. Back issues. Geo class. I don't know what that's all about. 6 reasons to follow Nicole at Yarn Sister and check out her joyful designs full of colour. And that's on Instagram. Okay. So I like this. That's quite snazzy. That's made with the King Cole Bramble. I had a bit of that in my Black Friday as well. So what do you think of this one then? And the little amigurumi guy. He's not going to be big because, you know, there's not that great deal of yarn to make him with. And it says it contains all the yarns you need to make this cute bunny, but it doesn't have the stuff in. They used to give stuff in away in the magazines, but they don't anymore. But you could always stuff in with the yarn. You know, the same colour would... I don't suppose you've got enough, to be honest. But, you know, that's what we've got in this one. So let me know what you think of this edition of Simply Crochet. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Is there anything that floats your boat? Let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.